So in last videos, actually, last demos, we just create a record and then we add to the form, and then they say, oh, they did capture the name of name, first name, last name, and then reflect to the result confirmation. And then if I click on view update list, then I should be able to see the student ID 102, and my name is listed there, but it's not. So what's going on? So I come back to look at the confirmation page, because confirmation is the one carry the data to the result, and I see, okay, result. Okay, confirmation page, you will carry the value from the first form. That's doesn't look like a problem. And then when we connect to database, there is no error, so this shouldn't be a problem. And then we select database. Database is user one, which is my database. And then I send a query to insert into a table with user ID, first name, last name, and email, and each of the value carry from the form. So where is the problem? Can you guys tell me where the problem is for this one? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes. So great, Matt, you catch it. So first L is not a table we have. Okay. So our table name is users instead of first L. That's why it didn't find a table, didn't give us even error. So let's see if we change uh, users as a table name, because that's the user table we have, right? Table is users. So we go back. We did check actually earlier. We did check the record is not. It's still only one record there, so it didn't really insert it. That's why we go back to check confirmation, because it didn't successfully insert. If it's successfully inserted but didn't select add, then problem probably in the result list we didn't select correctly. All right, so when we go back to update our files, then we reconnect to the server and we change the confirmation page. So we upload that to there and then go back to the page, then click on add, click on view update list. Here you go, the number, the second student ID record all show up in the record. So now we can use the form to enter any record we want. And then something, and then I can click on add and then view the new list, and I can do one more time, and I put your name wrong, President, and Wilson. See, I changed your name. Wilson, is that how you spell? Okay. Add, view record. Here we go. So this is part of dynamic. When we insert something, we don't need to hard code in the MySQL anymore. We insert something, the result flag add. Okay, reflag add. Okay, so let's go back to look at quickly look at what we have the result list. How did this happen really? So we did insert a query within the with the command line in MySQL. We know, okay, we insert the value. This is no problem. Okay, so how did we fetch the value back and present in the page? So when we create after we create this the icon which is called view update list, when we click on this will go to result list.php. So what is in result list.php? So basically we connect to the database again, okay, and then we use this is select database, we use user one, and then we create a variable called result equal to select all from users. all the record will be selected. And then, well, row equal to MySQL fetch array. Basically, each of the record will be array. Okay, each record will be equal to row. Will assign to array named row. Okay, so how many field we have in the row? Have 0, 1, 2, 3, which is from user ID and first name, last name, and email. Okay, so when we print it out, we print out with table. Oh, we print out a table just like what we did last class. We print out a table, right? Remember, we have that brush and quantity. We print out a table, and then we have a quantity of table and also price. Then we have the total, how much it is, and then we add some, header. And here we didn't see table though. Table have table rows and table columns. Student ID as a table column. Table columns, and then $S is holding the place where you're going to use row 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now table, this is a column. This is column 1, column 2, column 3, column, and 4 column. Okay, so but we didn't seem to see table. Okay, so how we can display table? Is anybody can tell me how to display table? What did we do last time? Did we put a border equal to 1? Is that right? And then we'll see a table right there. Okay, so let's update that to the server and then see if that can show a table. Okay, and result, all right. Okay, so when we double click on that, click on view result, and the table showed up. You see that? But the tables width is really depending on what's the value there. And so if we want a table with 1, 2, 3, 4 columns and 4 record, how we can do that? Does anybody can tell me what to do to change that? I want to have a table have multiple row. This looks like each line is a table. Okay, I want one table with multiple lines. So remember what we did for the brush one? Actually, we don't include this part into the loop. The loop is a record. So we're going to put this outside the loop, the table itself, and then we're going to end the table with another, we don't need this. So within the table, within the loop, you just print out each rows, okay? So for, before you clean the table, you're going to print out the table close table, okay? So you will be able to see, hopefully you will be able to see that result, okay? So the table is gone. Okay, so now I'm sorry, right here. All right, good. So I'm going to upload the result, and then if we see the table, it will be looks like this. This is one table with multiple rows and record. Okay. Is there any questions?